What if I told you that everything you have been told about Pinterest affiliate marketing is a lie? You have probably heard it's too saturated, too complicated, or that it doesn't work anymore. But none of that is true. In this video, I'm going to break down the real strategy behind a successful Pinterest affiliate marketing, the one of the gurus are not showing you. Whether you are a beginner or you have been spinning your wheel for months, this step-by-step method will finally make Pinterest work for you. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive into the truth about Pinterest affiliate marketing and how you can start earning fast. The first thing we are going to do here is to open a new tab and search amazon.com and click on the second link here, and it will bring you to this interface here. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to scroll down bottom of this page. I think it's here, and you are going to find here become an affiliate. Click there, and you are going to click sign up, and you are going to click here sign up, and you guys, you are going to put in your emails and create an account. It is very simple. I don't want to make this video too long. I want to make it short but very detailed. So after you have created an account, let me assume that you have created an account. The next thing we are going to do here is we are going to search a product, and it's going to be a woman product, because 90% of the Pinterest users are women. So we are going to look for a women product here. Let's put, like, for example, skincare product. Let's do that, and let's scroll down and find that product, the one which we can promote. I think I'm going to use this product here as an example. Let's assume you are going to promote this product here. Click there. So the next thing we are going to do, you are going to get your affiliate link. When you have created your Amazon affiliate program and you choose the product to promote, you are going to be getting that link, that affiliate link, which you will promote and get sales, and you earn a commission. Let's assume that this is our affiliate link here. Now when you have got your affiliate link here, I highly recommend to open a Google Doc, and the next thing to do here is to come and keep your affiliate link there. So don't mind, this one is too long, but your affiliate link will not be too long like this one. The next thing we are going to do here, we are going to create content, and don't worry, I'm going to give you the best way you can get a free content. You don't have to show your face, or you don't have to create any content. I'm going to give you all the tools you need so that you can get videos or images that you can use to your own Pinterest account, and you get commissions. So the next step here to do is open a new tab and search TikTok here, and click on the first link here, and it will bring you to this interface here. I don't want this video to play. And the next thing which I want you to do is to open a new tab and search about this keyword. I don't know how I pronounce it. It's Ovizon, I don't know, whatever, but you have to look for this account. And the next thing you have to do is to click here, get a Chrome, and the next thing here, it will bring you here to say add to Chrome. As for me here, it's saying that remove to Chrome because I already have it here, but for you guys, you will click here because it will say that add to Chrome. The reason why we have added this website to our Chrome extension is that it's going to show you the videos. It's going to show you something like this, like this video got 1.8 million views and this video got 1.6k. It's going to show you all of these things so that it can be easier for you to know the video which has a lot of views and a lot of likes. And mind you, we are going to get a video which have a lot of views, like this one here has 1.8 million views roughly, like roughly that's it's 2 million views, and it's a good video, it's good to use. And we are going to use these TikTok videos to use them to our Pinterest account. Mind about getting copyrighted to your video, because when you pin this video to your Pinterest account, you will have to tag the owner of the content. So the next step we are going to do here, we are going to find a video with 100k viewers plus. I'm going to use this video here because it has 1.8 million views and it has gone viral, which means a lot of people have liked it and a lot of people have seen this. So the next step we are going to do, we are going to click on this video here, and I don't want this video to play because my video may get copyrighted. And the next thing we are going to do is to click here, copy the URL, copy this TikTok URL, and the next thing to do is open a new tab and search about this TikTok downloader. What I want you to do, or use this website here, the first link here, or use this website here, this one here called the SnipTalk, but all websites are good. Let me use this for example, and open a new tab here, click there, is right click, and we have to paste here that affiliate link. And the next step to do is to click download. As you can see here, your video is going to be downloaded without a watermark. Next step here is to download, and the next step here is to click download. And this is an ad, remove it. As you can see, our video is downloading. As you can see, our video has finished to download and without a watermark. Let me check it here. And I don't want to play this video because my video may get copyrighted. Step here is to open a new tab and come here to Pinterest and create an account. It's free, and if you already have an account, then that's great. And the next step here is, if you have an account, make sure to do all the settings, because if you don't know how to do the settings or how to open a Pinterest account, I will leave the YouTube video link in the description below. Make sure to check out. The next step we are going to do here, we are going to come and click here, and the next step here, we will come here where is content, where is create content, and click here on organic. Click here where is organic, and click here where is create a pin. Yeah, click there and look to your browser where you saved your video, your TikTok video. I believe for me it's this one here. Now it's there. So the next thing which we are going to do here, we are going to give our pin a title here. So let's say, like, I have a title here, face massage device. At the next step here, we are going to give our pin a description. So I highly recommend here to come here on ChatGPT and use this prompt which I'm going to give you here. Give me a Pinterest description based on this title. Whatever products you are trying to promote, and then click enter. So ChatGPT is going to give you a short, detailed description for you just to copy and paste to your pin description. So highlight that and right click, copy it, and come back here to your pin. Right click, paste it there. And the next step here is And the next step to do here, we are going to add here our affiliate link here. Right click, so something like that. And the next step here, you are going to choose a brand, and I think you can just click here create, and what you can use here is just put like something, just put something like skincare, and click here, click create. That's great. And here is where we are going to put our tags. ChatGPT gave us here a keyword here, I don't know, let me check here. So we are going to copy these keywords here and right click, copy, and go back to our Pinterest. Right click there, right click, paste your tags there like that. And the next step here, you are going to click publish. If you want maybe to post your if you want maybe to publish your video to the next day or next week, obviously you can do that. You can set the date you want to publish and click search do, but I don't do that. What I can do here is just click here publish. I highly recommend you to be posting 2 to 3 videos every single day. That's how you can make money through Pinterest affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell for daily new money making videos. And make sure to comment the word Pinterest in the comment section there, and don't forget to watch the next video here, which I'm going to put here. So that's all, and let's go. Peace. See you in the next video.